Just recently I was in the market for a new soldering iron and I came across some great reviews of the PineCell and with its accompanying power supply by Pine64, the PinePower. This had some really great reviews. It's got various ports and voltages, which is why it accompanies the PineCell so well. When I went to their store, there was no PinePower available. I reached out to them, and unfortunately, they did not know when they were going to be offering the PinePower again. And let's see if I could find the PinePower anywhere else. And I came across this particular unit on AliExpress. As you can see, it has very similar ports. In the main box, we can find two separate boxes. My expectation at this point is that we've got one has the actual power unit, the other box has the power cable. The power cable is obviously not for the US, although that is the one that I purchased, so I will not be able to use that. On a positive note, it's not a power brick, so I can probably use a power cable with the same configuration. So this power supply seems very sturdy. It's got some decent weight to it. It's got a standard breakdown, and there's the various ports, color coded that we talked about, as well as the fast wireless charging on this top surface. And import and out power output, as well as the various ports. I really like the low profile and the fact that it doesn't take much real estate on my desk. After I plugged in a few devices, you actually see what effect the draw has on the display with reduction in voltage and change in amperage per port. If you have found any part of this video helpful, please like and subscribe below.